In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a field set in Salesforce. We'll walk through the process from start to finish inside Salesforce setup, and I'll explain what to look for along the way so it's easy to follow. First, log into Salesforce. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. From the menu that appears, select Setup. This will open the administrative area where you can manage objects, fields, and other configuration options. After you're in Setup, click Object Manager. This is where Salesforce stores the setup options for standard and custom objects. Next, choose the object where you want to create the field set. For example, this could be an account contact opportunity or a custom object depending on your use case. Make sure you select the correct object because field sets are created at the object level. Once you're inside the object, find and click Field Sets in the Object Settings menu, then click New to begin creating one. Now you'll enter the details for the field set. Start with the field set label, which is the user-friendly name you want to see in Salesforce, then review the field set name, which is typically auto-populated as the API name based on the label. You can also add a description if needed. This part is optional, but it can be helpful if you want to document the purpose of the field set for future reference. When everything looks good, click Save. Next, you'll add fields to the field set. At the top of the page, you'll see a palette of available fields. Drag the fields you want into the section labeled in the field set. As you add them, arrange them in the order you want them to appear. This order can matter, especially if the field set will be used in a custom interface or dynamic display. If needed, configure field properties for each field. You can mark a field as required or read only, depending on how you want it to behave. Take a moment here to make sure each field is set up correctly, since these options can affect how users interact with the field set later. When you're done, click Save. Finally, verify the field set. Review the list of included fields, confirm the order is correct, and check that any settings you applied are accurate. If you notice anything that needs adjustment, make the final changes and save again. And that's how to create a field set in Salesforce.